Well, now we're starting video number 6 for the same chapter, 5 or 19, and we're going to look at something called Target Profit. I think this is an excellent tool because basically you can determine how much you want to make and back yourself into how much profit you want to make, and then back yourself into the quantity that needs to be sold. So to calculate my sales in units, when I have a target profit, I'm going to take my fixed cost plus the target profit, which is, this is the amount of money I want to make divided by my unit CM. And let me show you the calculation here. So here's my information. Here's my fixed cost. I want to have $100,000 as my target profit. My selling price, my variable cost, my unit CM. So if I do the calculations, remember the fixed cost plus the target profit divided by the unit CM tells me I have to make 10,000 units in order to make $100,000. And let me show you the breakdown. Here it is right here. Here's my sales, my variable cost, minusing gives me my CM, minus my fixed cost. There's my target profit. Okay, so this information is extremely valuable because you can actually determine how much you want to make. And by the way, it can actually be also calculated with a ratio or a percent. I'm sorry about that. So if I'm actually, if I know that I need 750,000 in sales to profit of 100,000, I can actually use it straight with my contribution margin ratio by following this format here. Okay, so this is target profit. Next, we're going to look at the break-even charts, and these are graphs. I don't expect you to do the graphs. I don't have you do them on the homework. I don't have you do them on the test. So just so you know. So I want to show you, and I'm going to skip. This is basically tells you what lines are which. We're going to skip this. This is the data I have. Okay, $100,000 are my fixed costs. I'm selling at 50. My variable is 30, and my contribution margin is 20. So here's what I have. So this bottom line from here up to here is my totals. These are my total costs going this way. So where they meet, this is my break-even point. Remember, break-even point is $0. Any one, and so it says I have to make 5,000 units in order to break even when I'm doing 250,000 in sales. So unit number 5001 is now profit, or pure profit if you want to think about it, and it would fit in this category up here. Again, I will not be making you do these charts in class or with the homework. Okay, so basically 5,000 units represents my 250,000. Now, given all this, then I can also look at other things. So when I'm looking at other proposals that are going to reduce fixed cost, I can redo the numbers again based upon this, because now I'm trying to reduce fixed cost by 20,000. That means it's going to be 80,000. And so here's what's going to happen is when I do that, my sales, I only have to make 200,000 and 4,000 units. This is my break-even point because I actually reduced some of my cost. Okay, that's enough for this formula, even though actually I still have more charts, but I'm sorry, this video I meant. So next we're going to look at profit volume chart. And again, it's going to be stuff like this, but you do not have to do this in class. So this is the end of video number 6. Thank you.